In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a user in SQL Server. So you want to expand security, right click on logins, select new login. You can create a local login or use Windows. Now Windows is generally if you're using a user that is already on your PC or server or within your domain. In this case, we're going to be creating a SQL login. This will be on the SQL Server itself. So we're going to be calling the user demo user. I'll be setting the password, and I don't want to enforce password policy. Now when you're creating the user, you can choose to grant permission to that user same time. So you can select user mappings and then select the database that you want to grant the user access to. Now I'm just going to be granting data reader. If you want the user to have server-wide permission, then you can go ahead and select server roles and select the appropriate role that you want to grant to that user. Then select OK and the user will be created. So let's expand, and here you can see the demo user was created. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.